MidJourney Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of MidJourney, the AI-powered tool that's redefining digital art and design. If you're considering it for your creative projects, stay tuned as I break down its features, who it's for, and what you can expect. Links to MidJourney and additional resources are in the description, so be sure to check them out. MidJourney is an innovative AI art generator that specializes in transforming text prompts into unique and visually stunning images. Unlike other tools, MidJourney leans into artistic and imaginative interpretations, creating visuals with a dreamlike and often surreal quality. This makes it a favorite among artists, designers, and anyone looking to explore the boundaries of creativity. The standout feature of MidJourney is its emphasis on creativity over photorealism. It excels in creating artwork that feels handcrafted, offering a range of styles such as abstract art, ethereal landscapes, and futuristic concepts. By simply typing a detailed description, you can bring your wildest ideas to life. Whether it's a cyberpunk city in watercolor style or a Gothic cathedral glowing under a full moon. MidJourney is particularly appealing for those in creative industries like branding, marketing, or entertainment, where originality is key. It's also perfect for personal projects, such as designing album covers, concept art, or even unique social media content. For beginners, the platform is straightforward, operating mainly through a Discord bot, where users input prompts and receive generated images within minutes. Advanced users will appreciate the flexibility to refine prompts and iterate for tailored results. One area where MidJourney truly excels is its artistic sensibility. The images it produces often feel more expressive compared to other AI tools, making it ideal for storytelling or mood-setting visuals. That said, it does have limitations. It may require multiple iterations to fully match your vision, and its reliance on Discord as a platform might be slightly unconventional for some users. In summary, MidJourney is a game-changing tool for anyone seeking to push creative boundaries. Its ability to turn abstract ideas into visually captivating art makes it indispensable for artists and professionals alike. Ready to explore the endless possibilities? Check the links in the description to get started today.